The most entertaining movies of Big B. It's about two brothers who were separated during birth since Mukri's wife had delivered a dead baby. So he wanted the doctor who was his sister Nirmala. So he told Nirmala that just do one thing for me. There's one lady, Wahida Rahman, supposedly in the hospital. She had delivered two twins. So just do me a favor, just hand over one twin to my wife. It will be a great blessing because she will die if she knows that she has again delivered a dead baby. Nirmala was hesitant, but due to his brother, because of his love for his brother, she agreed. So one of the infant Big B was handed over to his Mukri's wife, and he grew up to be a melodramatic person. He was very fond of acting, and he used to stage shows, and he used to always demand money. That was the funniest part of the movie. And Mukri was a lawyer, so he was hesitant, and he said that I'm not giving you a penny, and he used to cook up stories. The best part of the movie is that then the lady, like mom, she says that the same Hindi dialogue what we keep saying in most of the movies about that don't bereft me of my child. He's just asking 2,000, and then Mukri all of a sudden he changes and he says that I'll give you 1 lakh because you have got a marriage proposal. So I want you to tie the knot and bring daughter-in-law. So he was hesitant. He said that no, I am still working on my. And the other Shankar, who was a police, who was a cop, and Vikram is the notorious guy Amjad Khan, who was the friend of senior Big B, Amit, whose wife was Wahida Rahman, and he actually cooked up a story about his about killing of Sujit Kumar, and he was the culprit, and the blame was put on Big B, senior Big B. So he was absconding. Big B had to abscond because the charges were on him, and then he took solace. There was Pinchu Kapoor, who was shot dead by another person, another notorious man, and he had an infant who grew up to be Praveen Bobby. So he was the uncle. Big B actually saved this girl infant, and so Pinchu Kapoor handed over the entire property to him, and he became one of the richest person of Nepal, Raja Ranbir Singh, who was Big B. And Wahida Rahman was disheartened, and she actually wept every day practically, and she gave birth to another Big B, who was Shankar and Guru. Guru was the melodramatic one, Shankar was the cop, and finally all three of them meet in the end. And he had a son who was again notorious, Shakti Kapoor, like Vikram. And Vikram also had one problem. He was always injecting himself because he had a serious kind of disease, and without injection he would collapse. So finally this movie revolves around theft, robbery, cocaine, smuggling, and especially that necklace, diamond necklace, which was worth crores. So he eyed both the criminals, like Shakti Kapoor and his dad. Both of them wanted the diamond ring, which was worth crores, and even they were involved in cocaine smuggling. So later on, Shankar and Guru, both of them got together, even the elder one, and they defeated the criminals. And Zinat Aman is the girlfriend of Guru. So the movie ended on a happy note, and the movie is very entertaining. Songs are really good, worth watching. 5 stars.